Angus of Maker's Muse came out with his one-way bearing design, I decided I would give it a shot and try to print it. And I had recently bought a rather exotic filament by a company called Polyalchemy, and this was a pearlescent green, it's named Emerald City Elixir, and the filament's not cheap, but it gives fantastic results. And so I printed out the bearing, and it came out really nice, as you can see here. And it gave me another idea for something else to print with this filament, even though it is quite expensive. And that is the Adalinda, or the singing serpent, or the singing dragon from Thingiverse that was included, at least with the Pressure Mark 2S that I purchased. It was one of the first models I actually printed, and I printed it in a fairly standard green PLA, and it came out really nicely. So I decided I would print it on the EV-1, and here is the result. So the model has a beautiful pearlescent shine to it, and really shows that those qualities of the filament in the light. In fact, I like this filament so much, I'm really trying to figure out what else I can print with it that will take advantage of that nice, deep, shiny green colour. So the parameters for the print was, I was using a 0.2mm nozzle, printed at 0.1mm layer height. The extruder was set to 210C, and the bed, have a heated bed set to 55C, so that's a fairly standard setup for PLA. I do find that printing with the Polyalchemy filament, it helps to slow down obviously your speed, and in the case of the Adalinda model, because the feet, obviously the claws are quite narrow, I opted to use a raft for the print as well to ensure that the model would stick to the bed.